Aromatic polyurethane is a polymer material containing cyclic aromatic structure. Ayan. So it has one or more benzene ring that has lower UV stability, meaning may tendency siya magkaroon ng yellowing kapag na-exposed. Kaya kailangan niya po maglagay ng top coat to protect your waterproofing pag ayaw mag-discolor. Pero again hindi ibig sabihin pangit yung product. Pwede lang siya mangilaw pero hindi nagbabago ang kanyang mechanical properties. Under sa Vidrite, this is the Hyperblock PU100, which is 100% polyurethane. At the same time, it's solvent-based and aromatic. If you're going to use this for medium application to heavy application, we would recommend again using a cloth. Ayan. So ang recommendation namin ay gumamit ka naman ng cloth P60. Ayan, this is 60 GSM, polyester please, para to protect yung waterproofing natin for your medium to heavy duty application. Possible na may parties ka na dito and madalas yung gamitin tong roof deck. Bagay din sa Hyperblock PU100 para sa mga concrete na medyo degraded, yung medyo luma na, we would recommend Hyperblock PU100 and reinforced with cloth P60. Ang re-recommend namin para hindi siya mag-yellowing at hindi masugatan, gagamit tayo ng abrasion resistant na polyurethane, which is Floortec Shield. Yan to protect our Hyperblock PU100.